Welcome back to my channel, guys. Previous vlogs. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing a gym shoe, the Air Jordan 33. Now, why a gym shoe? It does have technology in it, and it's a shoe that actually caught my eye, and I've always been a Jordan guy. So stay tuned to the channel. Coming right up, we're going to be unboxing that Jordan 33. Alright guys, thanks for joining me back in my channel here. So today what I'm going to be doing is unboxing the Air Jordan 33. Now you might wonder, hey, we've been watching them unbox iPhones, Apple Watches, drones, do stuff with cars, but to me the Air Jordan brand, or the Jordan brand, has been a big part of my life. I've always had Jordan stuff, I've always had Jordan shoes. I have a lot of Jordan shoes actually. But with this Jordan 33, it has a lot of technology in it. The way the lacing system works and everything is just amazing, the way they set the shoe up. And I have not bought a pair of Jordans that have not been a game-worn Jordan since the Jordan 15. So this is actually a first for me, because from the 15 till the 32, I have not bought any of those shoes. Maybe I think the 22 or the 21, but I used them for work. That wasn't like a thing that I wore outside or in a basketball court. And I bought them for like $40 at the time. So again, this is something that I haven't done in a long time. I've always buy retros, and I buy the shoes that he's always worn. But anyways, let's get right into the unboxing of this shoe, and then we'll talk about the shoe as well and why I think it's a great addition to my collection. All right, guys, so here it is, the Jordan 33. First of all, I'm going to talk about the box. The box actually itself has a nice feel to it. It has these tabs right here. If you look at them, they're actually made of some kind of stitching or actually material, as you can see there. But it is a very nice shoe indeed. Let's see here. It has instructions on how to actually work the lacing system on the actual shoe. I mean, foil? Really? He went all out and did some foil. Okay. It's a nice presentation. The whole box alone, just the box, the way it feels, the material right here, it's a nice presentation. And here is the shoe. I'll pull both of them out. Throw my aluminum foil box down there. So there you go, guys. The Jordan 33. I mean, the shoe to me is a nice look. And from what I've seen so far, just on some of the presentations, just looking at the Jordan website, I've noticed, and I have not actually noticed until recently, that Jordan has been actually doing, the company Jordan has been, or Nike has been doing a presentation with the Jordans. So the 31, the 32, and the 33 now actually have a little bit of the 1, the 2, and the 3 in them. And I'm going to show you a little bit of them here as I talk about the shoe. But they actually have, on the 1, you're able to see some of the details, of course, the band at the bottom and the detail of the Nike sign on the side, and it has kind of a resemblance to the Air Jordan 1. The Jordan 30, the 32 has a resemblance to the Jordan 2, which has the back of that, kind of like that little, the small bumps or the little thing on the back there, how it just kind of has those slight grids on there. You call them, if you want to call them grids. It has that representation of the actual Jordan itself, and the actual emblem on the tongue itself. It's the actual from the Jordan 2. So that they took things from the Jordan 1, the Jordan 2, and put them on the 32, 31, and the 32. Same thing they did here with this shoe. So if you look, I'm going to have another picture of the Jordan 3 right up here on the right above my head here. This area right here, this is taken right off the Jordan 3. So the 33 represents the Jordan 3 itself. So you got this right here, this area, and of course they went back to the Nike Air on the back, just like the Jordan 3 had the big Nike Air, the Jordan logo on the tongue. One thing I do like about this, so the Jordan 3 was the first Jordan to have introduced an air bubble to it, to the visible air bubble, to show the technology of that shoe at that time. Well, this one has the visible, I guess, the cord reel, you could call it. This is an actual cord reel. So when you pull this, I'm going to show you here, I'm going to get a close-up of this. When you pull this, you'll notice that spins, and of course your release lever here. So let's talk about that again. So no laces on the actual shoe. You see no laces, just these 3 straps right here, or 3 strings right here that are supposed to be made of parachute zip line material, whatever you want to call it, release material. So when you pull this lever here, or this cord here, you could actually hear the shoe tighten up. And of course, this right here says eject. You hit this, and of course it releases the shoe. You could get off, you could get your shoe out or whatever. It's got a strap in here for added support for the ankle. So I mean, the shoe all in all is a nice looking shoe. Like I said, I have not liked a lot of the shoes that have come out, the 31s, the 32s. The 32s were okay. I wasn't really too crazy about them. And any of the other past ones, when they did the 2008, 2009 shoe releases, stuff like that, I didn't like any of those. But this shoe, as soon as I saw this shoe, I was like, I had to have this shoe. And just, again, I'm a big guy with technology. Phones, Apple Watches, you know, anything that has to do with car technology, stuff like that. Shoe technology now, you're putting straps, you're putting levers into the actual shoes and things like that. That is awesome. That is amazing. Again, talking about it again, it pretty much has some resemblance to the Jordan 3. Just a couple of things. Here's the straps, of course, the way this comes up, the front toe right there as well. Again, if you saw the picture on there, I put up, I'm gonna post it up again there. It has some resemblance to that Jordan 3. So another other features of the shoe itself has, of course, the mesh technology up in the front here for breathable and everything else. And the bottom, they kind of made the air or the Zoom Air panels or pallets or whatever you want to call them visible. Not completely visible, but it shows you exactly where they are located on the heel and on the forefoot of the shoe. The shoe itself seems like it's got a lot of traction. One thing that I'm not crazy about on any of the Jordans or any gem shoe for that matter is the icy or clear sole. That sole turns nasty green, and it's an ugly green. I have a pair of Jordans that I've had for about, well, I would say probably 10 years, and I have other ones that I've had, of course, for a few years here. I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison of what they look like after a while, and that's one thing I'm not looking forward to this. I really wish that Jordan would stop. I wish that everybody would just stop doing this. It looks nice when it's brand new, just like this. I have a pair of Jordans actually that I haven't even worn because I don't want to ruin them to that point. But the shoe is a nice looking shoe. Leather, small leather suede finish here, I believe it is. Again, just suede tongue. I mean, the shoe itself is a nice shoe. I mean, everybody has their opinions. I've had friends that say that it's an ugly shoe. I like it. I like all technology. I like everything. Well, look at this. Right on there, it's there. It says Air Jordan 33, designed and engineered for the exact specifications for flight. There you go. So, I mean, the direction Jordan brand is headed seems like it's a good one. They've been coming up into this new technology. I mean, if you're a basketball player, just think about it this way. When you pull this cord, you tighten your shoes, you get on the court, you're playing, you want to have a seat, and you want to just, at the end of the game, you want to just sit down and loosen your shoe up a little bit or whatever, get some breathing in there. You don't have to unlace everything. It's the simple pull of a tab. Or either way, if you're playing basketball. I've been playing basketball before where my shoelaces just come undone and you got to stop and, hold on, I got to tie my shoelaces. Well, there's none of that anymore. As long as this technology holds up and this is actually, it doesn't break or snap from under here, because who knows how to fix that, of course. This will actually be a really good one. You just pull up the cord, tighten them up, and they're good to go. So, again, thanks for watching my channel, guys. I mean, this is going to be, I'm going to be wearing this on a daily basis. I wear them to play basketball. I wear them outside. It's just a style. I mean, it's a nice stylish shoe. I'm actually looking to get a few outfits to match these shoes. But, again, that's the Air Jordan 33. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more videos on other stuff, more technology as I come across it, of course. I will be doing a video on actually solar panels. And that's going to be a surprise video there because I'm getting solar panels installed in my house, and that'll be coming up soon. So I'll show you how that actually is. You'll see a whole video on getting the new solar panels. Going to have solar panels all over my house here. But anyways, again, thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe, like it, comment. Any comments are welcome. Doesn't matter what you guys say. Again, tell me if you guys like the Air Jordan 33. Tell me if you want to see more unboxing of shoes. I'll also kind of do a quick video of all the shoes that I currently own, just so you guys see all the Jordans that I have. And if you want to see videos on any of those shoes and my take on any of those shoes as well. Again, see you guys again next time. Subscribe to my channel.